For example, you can wear a plain black belt with a floral crop top and high-waisted skirt. 4. Play with textures. Textures are another important element to consider when creating outfits with mix and match crop tops and high-waisted bottoms. You can mix and match different textures to create a more interesting outfit. For example, you can wear a lace crop top with a leather high-waisted skirt. This creates a feminine and edgy look. Another popular texture combination is denim and lace. For example, you can wear a denim crop top with a white lace high-waisted skirt for a boho chic look. 5. Choose the right footwear. The right footwear can make or break an outfit. When it comes to creating outfits with mix and match crop tops and high-waisted bottoms, you need to choose the right footwear to complement the outfit. If you are wearing a more casual outfit, you can wear sneakers or sandals. For example, you can wear a graphic crop top with high-waisted shorts and sneakers for a cool and relaxed look. If you are wearing a more sophisticated outfit, you can wear heels or ankle boots. For example, you can wear a black crop top with a black high-waisted pencil skirt and ankle boots for a chic and fashionable look. Remember to have fun and experiment with different combinations until you find the perfect mix and match outfit that makes you feel confident and comfortable. Crop tops and high-waisted bottoms are very versatile clothing items that can be worn in many different ways, so don't be afraid to mix and match to create a look that suits your personality. Whether you're going out with friends, to a job interview, or a date, you can always find a way to incorporate mix and match crop tops and high-waisted bottoms into your outfit. They can be dressed up or down, and they always add a touch of elegance to any outfit. And remember, the key to any great outfit is confidence. No matter what you're wearing, if you feel good about yourself, you're sure to shine. So, have fun and let your creativity take the lead when creating outfits with mix and match crop tops and high-waisted bottoms. Additionally, don't forget to consider the occasion when putting together your outfit. For a casual daytime look, you may opt for a cotton crop top and denim high-waisted shorts paired with sneakers. For a semi-formal event or dinner, you can go for a more formal look by pairing a silk crop top and a satin high-waisted midi skirt with heels. When it's time to choose the right crop top and high-waisted bottom, it's crucial to pick the best fit for your body type. For instance, if you have an apple-shaped body, you can opt for a crop top that sits right above your waistline and pairs it with a high-waisted bottom that ends at or just below your navel. On the other hand, if you have a pear-shaped body, you can choose a crop top that cinches in above the waist and flows over your hips. Pair this with a high-waisted bottom that finishes at your natural waist to create an hourglass illusion. Mixing and matching crop tops and high-waisted bottoms can also be done by layering. For example, you can wear an oversized crop top over a fitted high-waisted bodycon skirt for a chic and effortless look. You can also wear a sheer or mesh crop top over a solid colored high-waisted bottom to add more dimension to your outfit. Finally, it is important to have some fun with accessorizing your outfit, regardless of what mix and match style you choose. You can add some statement jewelry, a scarf, or a hat to take your outfit to the next level. Essential accessories such as a belt or handbag can also be very functional and elevate your outfit.